Anytime you have water in your basement, there's obviously a cause for that water, and you need to get the water out because water does expose your basement to the potential of mold in sheetrock and the wood elements. One thing that people don't necessarily realize is that concrete will not mold. And so if there's discoloration in concrete, it may be due to water, it could be water staining, but it's not necessarily mold. But other structural elements like the wood frame and the fiberglass insulation, sheetrock, the floor joists, the beams, if they're in older homes, those can be exposed to mold. So water in your basement can create a condition that allows mold to grow. It increases humidity, and that ultimately can cause health concerns, and so it needs to be dealt with. And so for us at KC Pier, we are foundation experts, which does include foundation waterproofing. And so we have a multitude of techniques to help manage water or stop water from coming into the basement itself. At the same time, at KC Pier, all of our repairs, whether they're structural or waterproofing repairs, come with a product called KC Pier ShipShape. And KC Pier ShipShape will monitor your basement for humidity, temperature, and active water penetration. And it's hooked into an application on your phone. And so anytime that your sensors are triggered with high humidity, high temperature, or presence of water, it'll alert you as a homeowner. We also monitor that same service here in the office, and we see it as a red light, green light, yellow light. So we can be in contact with homeowners, especially homeowners that are caring for elderly parents or have a rental or a business basement that they're not there, full time, or a second home or a lake home. KC Pier ShipShape can be that second set of eyes that's even always on guard and looking for the presence of water, temperature, and humidity that ultimately can help create a much more healthy environment that's good for, obviously, the home itself, and also keeps the structural elements strong, so it increases the lifespan of the structure itself as well. So multitude of solutions when you have presence of water. Get an expert involved. We can take a look at it. We will find the source of it, and we have multiple resolutions that can help you in the end.